Hi guys, it's Bark Speed. It's 4 PM, Wednesday. Going to do a little bit more to the Mini. Run VT, Errol. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do today is do some more welding, use Big Nasty, and it will allow me to pinch this panel down onto the bodywork. Got a really productive Sunday, doing all the bits and pieces that we needed. I need to grind these, obviously these simulated spot welds off, but I'm really pleased with how things are going now. It's not going to be long until this side is completely finished. I just had a call from Ball Motive Mini Spares today. They said to me that they've only received one of the panels back. Long story, I ordered all the front of the car and it never turned up. I was toing and froing with FedEx, toing and froing, and basically it sounds like they've lost it. And the people have only got one part of the order back. So we'll see what happens there, but yeah, FedEx, sort yourself out. Anyway, back to this. So basically, I'm trying out a new mic today. It's actually a lapel mic radio, got a little transmitter in my pocket, and there's a receiver on the phone down there. Hopefully now there won't be any background noise, and I can actually try talking and everything. I've got my lighting rig on, and hopefully that's sorting that part of it out. And I can actually do a bit of commentary from within the welder's mask, and you'll still be able to hear me, which is really good. So we'll see what happens, and we'll go from there. Cheers. I have a new mask. My mum made it for me. It's got my logo on it, so it's purely for grinding, but I can wear it with pride when I go to the shops. Thanks, Mum. Remember, safety first, gloves, and I'll get my welder's mask and we shall be away, as they say. I'm back, so we'll see what we're getting. Let's see if we can. I'll just do one weld, see what we're doing, and then we'll go from there. The beauty of that big light there now is you can actually see when the welder is here, like this. So I'm now in the mask. And I'm doing some proper welding. I'm not a real welder, but I am a real welder. So if I just get you in and you have a little look there, I've just done those ones there, and with any luck, they're holding all right. Hey, all about the tools and what you got. I managed to get all of this done, all the way down to the end there. Now I'm just making a start on pushing that in, welding, pushing that in, welding, pushing that in, welding, all the way down. So it's going to take a little bit of time, but oh, it's nearly there. It's nearly there. Right, so there we go. Just to give you a drive-by of what I've done today. I've welded all my welds, and I'm going to now call it a night. But next time it's going to be a grinding day. And there we go. So I'll leave you with that. Looks pretty good. I'm well pleased.
Just a quick observational bit where you can see where my spot welds that I've sent through have actually gone right the way through into the floor pan underneath there, and also in here you can see again there, so that's perfect. Well, as they say in show business, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you soon. Cheers. Bye now.